Hello, have a good day. I'm Michelle Salcedo from Philippines, 37 years old. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in General Education. I have also an earned unit from a master's degree majoring Educational Management. And lastly, I have 120-hour TESOL certification. In my past 5 years of experience as an educator, I can describe myself in 3 skill sets. First, I am an adaptable teacher. I can quickly and easily adapt learning methods and styles to meet the needs of the student inside the classroom, wherein I can empower and support the students in learning style that they are suited to. Second, I have a great time management skills. It allows me to reduce stress and maximize my prioritized tasks in a lesson. It also gives me a clear goal time allocation in my entire teaching process. Third, I am an optimistic teacher. I always take problems as a challenge, and it improves my problem solving skill to rationalize and solve it effectively. I always allow myself for a new learning, new opportunity for the benefit of my personal growth. My teaching philosophy is that I believe that all children are unique in all ways, and they must have an stimulating educational environment wherein they can grow mentally, socially, and emotionally. My learning approach is an cooperative learning wherein I do always engage in my lesson in a form of play or brainstorming and let the students complete the task as a team. And at the end of my lesson, I always do assessment to make sure if the lesson is achieved or not. Teaching here in Middle East is really challenging and life-changing opportunity, both in teaching career and your personal growth. I've been in Kuwait for almost 3 years now, and I can say I gradually adapt and cope learning the language, culture, people, and also the environment. My contribution to your school when you're going to hire me is that I am an effective communicator. I believe that communication plays a vital role in the life of a teacher. I always empower my voice to address problem solving efficiently, and I can be a role model to my coworker and bring positive attitude and attribute to your school organization. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye!